Works of Marlowe. Tamerlane the Great, 1587. It is a play in two parts, based on the life of Central Asian Emperor Timur. The play was entered into the Centenary Register in 1590. Both parts were published together in Sing Blake Letter Ottawa in 1590 by printer Richard Jones. Published together in single Black Letter Ottawa in 1590 by प्रिंटर रिचर्ड जोन्स। इसका प्लॉट देखते हैं। प्लॉट पार्ट वन। द प्ले ओपन इन प्रेस्पोलिस। The Persian Emperor Mestius dispatches the troops to dispose of Tamerlane. ये Scythian shepherds and ये nomadic bandit at that time. In the next scene in Scythia, where Tamerlane is wooing, capturing, and winning Junocrate, the daughter of Epetigan king. He comforts the Massid soldiers. First, he pursues the soldiers, but later he joins hand with Crocio to fight against them and promise him that after victory, Khosrow will get Persian's empire. Khosrow was the brother of empire. After defecting the Massids, Tamerlane breaks his promise and takes the personal control of the Persian empire. Now Tamerlane becomes a powerful figure and turns his attentions to Bajeth, emperor of the Turks. He defeats Bajeth and keeps his defected king in a cage and feeds him scraps from his table and releasing Bajeth only to use him as a footstool. Bajeth later kills himself after listening that Tamerlane has conquered Africa too. Tamerlane named himself Emperor of African continent and next set his eye on Demosthenes, the Egyptian Sultan, and his father-in-law. Genoric pleads her husband to separate her father, and thus he made the Sultan a tributary king. The play ends with the marriage of Tamerlane and Genocrate, who was made emperor of Prussia. अब इसका प्लॉट का पार्ट सेकंड। Tamerlane grooms his sons to be conquerors in his wake and content to attack his neighboring kingdom. His oldest son, Calphas, preferring to stay by his mother's side, not risking his death, increased Tamerlane's anger. Meanwhile, the son of Bajeth, Colipan, escapes from Tamerlane jail and gathers a group of tributary kings to his side, planning to avenge his father's death. Tamerlane defeats Corflan and kills him and asks the defeated kings to follow his chariot to his next battlefield. Upon reaching Babylon, Tamerlane hangs the city governor to the city wall and shot him dead. He ordered the inhabitants of Babylon to be thrown into a nearby lake. He burns the quern and claimed to be the greater than God. He buries his son to conquer the remainder of the earth when he dies.